Alright YouTube, welcome back, and today I have a, I guess, pretty quick video for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to make this cartoon sidebar UI with these buttons. I think they look pretty cool. Once again, I am always going to leave the designer's details up here, so Soren Key. He is a designer for GFX Comment, so you guys can go ahead and give him a follow. I apologize for not uploading for the past 2 days, I think, but I'm going to make it up to you guys. So let's start. Very simple, new layer right here, and we're going to start with the ellipse tool. So let's go over here. Let's make sure fill is on and your option is set to shape. And the stroke has this option, which means it's off. And we're just going to hold shift and alt to create this nice little shape. Next, I'm going to double click and select the gray color. Now I'm going to hit Control T on my keyboard. I'm going to right click and hit warp. Right here, we're just going to drag this down, as you can see, to create this little shape. And now with this, let's hit Control J to copy. Control T, we're going to make this new layer smaller. And we're going to turn fill all the way down to 0. You can right click, hit blending options right here. Let's hit inner shadow. Distance will be down. Let's go size up and turn the opacity up as well. So now, as you can see, we are making this inside part like so. Yeah, let's hit OK. Tad bit smaller. Alright, so now this part is a bit lighter towards the center and the middle. So right here, what we could do is let's make a new layer. Right click and hit mask. Let's take your brush tool right here. You could copy my settings up here. Let's use the color white. I'm just gonna paint towards the middle, also the bottom right here. Change the mode to overlay. Now you can see this part gradually gets lighter, and now you can see we have this part lighter towards the bottom. Now we're gonna make the leaves, so make a new layer. Take your pen tool, we're on shape, fill, change the color to black, and let's just click right here. And right here, you want to click and drag this towards this direction right here. You want to hold Alt, click on this blue square. Now we're gonna click and drag right here. And we're just gonna go right here. So let's make this bigger. Let's right click, let's go into blending options. Let's go gradient overlay. Make sure mode is normal, opacity is all the way up. We're going to double click on the first box and go for this nice greenish mint color. We're gonna click right here to create a middle box and select on this color. And for the top, we're just gonna go for a blue, like so. Change the angle. Now we could also go for inner shadow. Change the color to white. Right here, increase the opacity and choke. Change the angle, lower this down. Let's go overlay, and let's adjust the angle so we have something sort of like this right here. We could also go for a satin, like so. Alright, let's hit OK. Let's make a new layer again. Pen tool, this time for the highlights. Just click right here, click and drag. Now we have a nice little highlight shape. Select the color. Enlarge, and once that is good, let's take these two, hold Control, click, and hit Control G to make a group. And with this, we could place this beneath, like so. We could copy, Control T to rotate, like so. Take these two, copy these as well. Control T, right click and hit flip horizontal to paste this onto the other side. Alright, so now with this, you could just find a cracked, I guess, texture and place this. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to find one. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna try this texture. It's not exactly the same, but I guess it works. I'm going on soft light mode and make this smaller. So right here, we could, yeah, I guess this somewhat works. It's kind of different, but it looks alright if you ask me. Yeah, it's okay. Alright, anyways, now let's go back to this layer, right click, blending options, and now let's add a stroke. Okay, like this. Let's also add a drop shadow, angle 90. Let's increase these. Now for these, let's go into the blending options for the group. Let's go stroke. Actually, you just copy layer style and just paste. So that's how it looks, and just paste it onto the other ones. Paste. And you can see this is what we have. Now we are close to finish. Let's make these little vines. It's really simple. You just want to make a new layer. Take your pencil, and right here we're gonna turn off fill. We're gonna go to stroke, and we're just gonna click on this box, select this green color, and we're just gonna make these little vines that kind of go like this. I mean, you could make them separate, but I'm just gonna do all this in one shape. So with this, right click, paste hairstyle. Right here you want to adjust the drop shadow, obviously. Let's take this, go behind, enlarge, and as you guys can see, this is what we have. And yeah, that's going to be it. The text you got yourself is just red. It's just a gradient with a stroke and drop shadow, same thing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Once again, I plan to upload a lot of different content. Just give me some more time to just be consistent and just get, into the flow of things first. So yeah, I appreciate your patience. A lot more stuff to come in the store, more products, just everything in general. But it will take a bit of time. So yeah, I appreciate all the support. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.